Good morning, students. Welcome back to our next topic. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter number 21. The name of the chapter is distance formula. Okay, so we have to start our new chapter. So the name of the chapter is distance formula. So let's take, we have a plane that is XY in which we have 2 points A and B. And the coordinates of A is x1, y1 and the coordinate of the B is x2, y2. And we have to find the distance between A and B. And one way is with the help of beta scale you can able to find the distance. But if we don't know where to draw the line, then we can able to find this distance between A, B by using the distance formula. So we have a distance formula. So to find the distance between A and B, what is the distance formula is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square whole under root. की है formula x2 माइनस x1, x2 जो बिंदु माइनस कर देना, x1 उधर की लेना स्केयर प्लस y2 माइनस y1, y2 जो y1 में माइनस कर देना तो उधर की लेना बेटा स्केयर, दैट इज फिर टोटल उधर की लेना बेटा अंडर रूट. सो टोटल उधर की लेना बेटा अपन अंडर रूट. सो दिस इज द फार्मूला, दिस इज नोन एज अ distance formula. So this formula is known as a distance formula. So by using this formula we can able to find the distance between 2 points in the given plane. So किसी भी plane दे विच जेकर if we have to find the distance, so we can able to find the distance by using this formula. ठीक है. Now I will start with the questions of your exercise 28. The first question is, find the distance between the following point. The first one is minus 3,6 and 2, minus 6. So we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Now, what I have done, I have taken this point as A, this is as B. Now this will become x1, y1. This will become x2, y2. Okay, so mark, you can write this one as a x1, y1, this is as x2, y2. It depends upon you. So whichever point you want, you can mark it as a x1, y1, x2, y2. So you will get the same answer from both the things. So here I mark this as x1, y1, this become x2, y2. Now apply the distance formula. What is the distance formula? Under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now put the value of x2, x1, y2, y1 from the question. So x2 under root, what is the value of x2? That is 2 minus value of x1, that is minus 3. So here will become minus 3 whole square plus what is the value of y2? That is equal to minus 6. The sign of minus, y of y1, that is also minus 6 whole square. Now in the next step, this minus minus will become plus. So 2 plus 3 is 5 square. Plus minus minus will become plus. So 6 plus 6, 12. So that will become minus 12 whole square. Now open the square, that will be equal to under root. The 5 square will be equal to 25 and the square of minus 12. Minus minus will plus. So minus 12 will be equal to 144. That will be equal to under root 169. And what will be the under root of 169? That is equal to 13. So this way beta you can able to find the distance between any 2 given points. So what they have given us, they given us 2 points, that is minus 3, 6, 2, minus 6. I applied the distance formula between these two. So by applying the distance formula, you can able to get the distance between these 2 points. Okay, so you can able to do the next 2 question, first part, next 2 part of the first question. I am going to do the question number second. What is the question number second? Question number second, find the distance. Find the distance between the origin and the point. Between the origin and the point. Origin and the point. What is the point? I am taking the first part, that is equal to 8 minus 8 comma 6. So they have given us a 1 point, and the second point they said it is a origin. So always remember beta, whenever they given that 1 point is origin, so whenever the 1 point is origin, you have to take the origin point as 0, 0. X is also 0, y is also 0. For example, this is our x-axis, this is called the origin. So here both x and y will be equal to 0. So at the origin we have both the values is equal to 0. So now we have got both the points. The first one, second one. So it will become x1, y1. This is become x2, y2. Again apply the formula, that is under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 the square. Okay. Now fill the values of x1, x2, y1, y2. Take a fill all the values here. x2 the value कितनी है? 0 minus x1 the value minus 8. So in the bracket it will become minus 8 whole square. Now the sign of plus, value of y2 is also 0 and the value of y1 is 6. That will become whole square. Okay. Now solve it. Minus minus will become plus, so 8 square will become 64. Here minus 6 square will become plus 36. So 64 plus 36 will be equal to 100 and the value of under root 100 is 10. Very easy. So when there is a 1 point is given and they said that the second point is origin, so always remember that the origin, the value of origin is 0, 0. Origin de apa ki leni hai value 0, 0. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Enu bhi x1, y1 la sakte, enu x2, y2, you will get the same answer. Very easily beta you can able to solve this question. I am going to do the question number 3rd. Note down this question so we can able to move the question number 3rd. So today we are going to do first 10 question. So in the next video we will do the rest of the question. So question number 3rd. The distance between the points 3, 1. The distance between the point 3, 1 and 0, x is 5. Find x. Now what they have given? They have given us the 2 points. One is 3, 1, another one is 0, x, and the distance between these 2 points is 5. In this question beta, the distance that we used to find in the first 2 question, jada distance apa pehla find out karde si beta, that distance is already given. The distance is already given here, 5. So in this question we have to find the missing value of x. Kadi value find out karni hai beta, x di. So again beta, take it as x1, y1, x2, y2. Apply the distance formula, that is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square, y2 minus y1 the square. Okay, so before you solve, always write the formula. So the distance between these two is equal to 5. So distance is given, that is equal to 5. So put the values of all. Now I am going to put the values under root x2. The value of x2 is 0. Value of x1 is 3. 0 minus 3 square plus value of y2 is x and the value of y1 is 1. X minus 1 square. Okay, that is equal to 5. Okay, then the next step, scaling both sides. Scaling both sides. दोनों पासे बेटा scaling कर दो. When you do the scaling on the both side, this side under root will get cancelled and this one will become 5 square. Under root इधर cancel हो गया, squaring both side. Here the under root will get cancelled and here will become 5 square. Now minus 3 square is equal to 9. X minus 1 square. इथे बेटा a minus b square का formula ला दो. What is that? That is equal to x square plus 1 minus 2x. 5 square is equal to 25. 9 उथे आपा फार्मूला लाता a minus b square that is equal to कादे आ गया x minus x plus 1 minus 2x is equal to 25. Now 25 ਨੂੰ इधर ले आओ, ठीक है। 9 plus 1 कितना हो गया बेटा 10, that is equal to कादे आ गया बेटा तेरे को x square minus 2x plus 10 minus 25 is equal to 0. Solve x square minus 2x 25 to 10 गया that is equal to minus 15 is equal to 0. Factorize कर दो बेटा, factorize we have done in the chapter number 5th. ट्राइनोमियल ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ factorize करना मिडिल टर्म सेपरेट करके, so that को फैक्टर की आ जाएंगे x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. x कॉमन आ गया, x minus 5 plus 3 कॉमन आ गया, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So we get the two factors here. One is x minus 5 and another one is x plus 3. So from here we get the two values of x. One is 5 and another one is minus 3. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਾਰੀ ਵਾਰੀ equal to 0 ਰੱਖਤਾ। ਜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਦੇਖੋ, ਪਹਿਲਾ x plus 5 is equal to 0 ਆ ਗਿਆ, तो x ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਆ ਗਈ minus 5, then x plus 3 is equal to 0 ਤੇ x ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਆ ਗਈ minus 3. So we got the two values of x, one is 5 and another one is minus 3. ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਸੀ। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਸੀ ਬੇਟਾ, already what they have given us, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ distance already given ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ ਕਿ these 2 points ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ what is the distance that is equal to 5. So we have to find the value of x. So what we have done ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ, ਆਪਾਂ distance formula apply ਕਰਤਾ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। values fill ਕਰਤੀਆਂ, squaring ਕਰਤੀ both side ਤੇ, ਇੱਧਰ under root cancel ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਇੱਧਰ square ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, solve ਕਰ ਲਿਆ, quadratic equation ਬਣ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ factor ਬਣਾ ਕੇ we got the two values of x that is equal to ਕਾਦੇ ਆ ਗਈ ਬੇਟਾ, ਇੱਕ 5 ਦੇ ਆ ਗਈ, ਇੱਕ ਕਾਦੇ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਆ ਗਈ ਬੇਟਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋ -3 ਦੇ। Okay, now the question number 4th and 5th are same. Okay, so I am going to do the question number 4th, ठीक है। 5th तक आज कर लेने हैं, the next one we do in the next video, ठीक है। next one is करांगे 5th तो okay। So what is the given in the question number 4th? 5th आपे कर लेना। 4th क्वेश्चन च की दिता है, the coordinates of the point on the x axis which are at a distance is 17 unit from the point. डिस्टेंस दिता है बेटा that is equal to काके दिता है 17 यूनिट्स से। डिस्टेंस कितना दिता है 17 यूनिट्स से, तो किस पॉइंट को दिता है, one point is 11, -8 and the second point we have to find. second point ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਾ ਬੇਟਾ, find. and but what they have given that, ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ second point ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਾਦੇ ਤੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ ਬੇਟਾ, x axis ਤੇ। this is our coordinate axis, this is y axis ਤੇ this is x axis, ठीक है। रिमेंबर बेटा ऑलवेज ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਉਹ x axis ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਕਹੇ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਨੂੰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇਦਾਂ ਲੈਣਾ, x ਤੇ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੇ y 0 ਹੋਏਗਾ, y ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਬੇਟਾ 0। ਸੋ ਦਾ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਵਿਲ ਬਿਕਮ x, 0। ਤੇ ਜੇ ਉਹ ਕਹੇ ਕਿ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਕਾਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ y axis ਤੇ, ਨੈਕਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ 5th ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਇਜ਼ ਔਨ y axis। y axis ਤੇ ਬੇਟਾ ਆ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ 0 ਆ ਜਾਣਾ x ਤੇ y ਵਾਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਟ ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ ਬੇਟਾ y। ਸੋ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਦਿਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਇਜ਼ ਔਨ x axis।